I spend too much time in my head, falling into myself. A trouble shared is a trouble still, and I don't want your help, but I need you to trust me with every inch of yourself. Tell me, is it too hard for you to do? Is it too hard for you, darling?
The stars in the deep blue skies, they really know how to guide. People shouldn't be scared anymore. My mind is like the abyss, it failed to redeem its kiss. Heart shut off and even locked the door. Stop wasting your time. Stop wasting your time. Stop wasting your time.
Who knows? I know of the forge above the sky, where someone's bound to pound day and night, but never to stop and never to see the world that they've made. Oh, what a shame. I know you doubt me, but I can see it in my sleep. I can hear the void and see the noise, but it said I will keep to myself, because knowledge is power, and power does not come from wealth. No, you don't know about the forge above the sky. No, you'll never see the fire in its eye. Yes, all that's left for you to do is think of what you'd see and what you would have been.
Close your eyes and reach out to me. Next to you, brother's where I'll be. Next to you, brother's where I'll be.
Do you believe in miracles? And do you believe in the spirituals? I tend to ask these questions when I'm high. With you in the evening, I feel the stress of leaving. Reach to find a high shape, but it's on fire. I'm addicted to you. I'm addicted to you. I'm addicted to you.
Ringing in my head as I'm sinking into my own bed. Just got home is all I know. You're still as dangerous, you're still home. I just got home, here's all I know. My skin is burnt, my bruise is blue, my glass is empty, my hopes are too. I don't feel at home. What about you? Tell me what you really think of me. I'm dying to know what runs through your head. Take me through your thoughts, answer my questions, pull me apart and validate me, baby. Then you let me lie in peace, maybe.
time you had to live. And I know that you're never coming back. How would you feel if you killed yourself and you enjoyed it? I know you'd be so frightened of the time ahead, the time you had to live. And I know that you're never coming back.